Well, good morning team, welcome back to Adventures with Rosy. Some sad news today, but also quite exciting. We've actually sold Rosy, so we've had her listed now for about 2 weeks, and yeah, sold, and we've got someone coming down on Monday to pick her up, so 3 days time. So now we've got to get stuck into some cleaning, give her a nice clean inside and out, get her COF done, and then yeah, she's off to a new home. Let's get stuck into it. Right, look how tidy this is. It's empty, echoey in here. Feels a little bit sad pulling all of our stuff out of Rosy. We got it down to about 4 storage boxes. So yeah, all sitting to the side ready to go in a future Rosy. Ooh, stay tuned for that. Now, the one, like I said earlier, we've got someone that's super interested to buy. The one requirement being the COF, the certificate of fitness for the vehicle. It expires in about 6 weeks, so I'm going to go and renew that. Fingers crossed everything passes, and then that should be the last hurdle, and then we'll say a sad goodbye to this girl. Well, the COF failed on a very minor bushing in the rear suspension, so I have to talk to the gentleman who's wanting to buy this and let him know there'll be a small delay, and find a mechanic who can replace a bushing for me ASAP. Just another one of the joys of owning a motorhome, I guess. Alright, let's find a mechanic. So it's now about 12:30 on Monday. Ace Automotive New Zealand, Ace Automotive in Taupo here, they did a wonderful job getting this back up and running. Thanks guys. They even went down and did the recheck for me for the COF, so all passed, all good. The only thing now is to put a bit of gas in Rosy, and then time to go and hand over the keys. A little bit sad, my final drive in Rosy.